So now what we need to do is that we need to work on the user interface. So as you can see here, we have an empty application. So we need to start working on the user interface. Let me first of all close this application down because we don't need it for now. And I'm going to head on over to the main.kv. As I told you, the kv file is responsible for creating the user interface. So now that we have this main widget, we need to add widgets to it. We need to add the UI, the user interface. So the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to add here 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to add 4 spaces because kv follows the rules of Python. So you need to leave here, you need to always leave here 4 spaces whenever you create a child of a specific appearance. So here, the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a screen because we have an empty screen and we need to create a screen. So I'm going to create a screen, and then inside that screen, we want to have a navigation layout. We need to have a navigation bar or navigation layout. So I'm gonna again here I'm gonna hit enter, and then I'm gonna leave 4 spaces. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then navigation layout. And by the way, these are classes given by Kiwi. So don't worry about these. These are already available. If you installed Kiwi, these are available. And then here we need to add semicolon. Oh, we need to add here colon. And then inside that navigation layout, we need to have screen manager. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here we need to have screen manager. Screen manager. What is a screen manager? A screen manager basically is going to allow you to manage the screen. It's going to allow you to display different screens, different pages. So whenever the user goes from one page to another, this screen manager is responsible for the transition from one page to another. So this inside this screen manager, we need to have pages. So I'm going to create 2 pages. I'm going to here say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to say home page. Home page or home screen. Let's say home screen. Home screen. And then I'm going to give this screen some properties. So the first property is the 1, 2, 3, 4 is the name. The name is important. The name is basically the name. It's not something complicated. It's just the name, but it must have a meaningful something meaningful, some meaningful name. Let's say home screen. Home screen. This is just the name. And then the screen, this home screen, we need to display something in the home screen. Therefore, I'm going to be using the box layout. Box layout. We want it to have a box layout. And that box layout is going to have, here, let me leave 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to have orientation of vertical. Vertical. What is a vertical? A vertical is simply a vertical orientation. So whenever you display something, it's going to be displayed at the top. And then whenever you display something else, it's going to go below the first object or first thing that you displayed.